All right, so let me explain something real quick about this harness. So the harness is gonna come with a so the harness is gonna come with a positive cable that you're gonna connect to your battery with a fuse and a negative. Then you connect your LED, either 1 or 2. If you're gonna do 1, you can eliminate those cable right there. But the only problem is when you do that, the little LED light here is gonna stay on all the time. So in order to turn that off, that way you don't drain your battery, I'm gonna show you what you gotta do here. This connection right here, right at the switch. So I got my switch right here. So what I did, you're gonna unhook the yellow connector. So basically the yellow wire is not in the connector anymore, but the one coming from the outside is still in there, right? So you're gonna put it like that. Now this wire, you're gonna run this to a fuse that only comes on when you turn the key on. So pretending the key is on, the light will be green and the light is on. When I hit this switch, the light goes off. Basically, when I turn the van off, it goes off. If I turn the switch back on the van, it'll come back on without hitting the switch. But I can always turn it off if I want to. So this is what you got to do. Just run this to a fuse. Only power when you turn the key on, and you're done. Alright, so in case you didn't understand what I say, take this wire, the yellow wire here, take it out of there. So basically they don't have a connection here anymore. Another wire is going to come from here, and you're going to run this to a fuse. That you turn on with the ignition right here. Easy. That way you don't have that light on all the time. And I will put the link for this in case you want to buy yourself one of this nice wiring that come with a relay, it come with a fuse and the switch. So this one is ready to go, and this one come ready with 2 connections for 2 fog lights or any LED that you're trying to turn on in this connection. So this one they connect right there. This other end you connect it to the whatever you running with that switch. Easy. So here we go. I'm gonna turn the vehicle on. You see. If I have them on, I turn the car off, everything goes off. Come back on, everything come back on. I'm gonna remove this glue here and stick it right here. It'll be that. You can put it wherever you want to put it. Oh yeah. You wonder how I stick that in there. So that comes with a sticky tape, but if you really want it to work, you take a torch, you hit up the plastic until it becomes a little bit shiny, and then you stick it on, just like that. Stick it right there once it's sticky.